Tara's office at the Oklahoma City Philharmonic is filled with joy and color. We really wanted her bookcase to reflect her dedication to the organization and her passion for connecting with people. Like many people in office spaces, she inherited years of supplies and records and spends so much time actually doing the work that sorting through the mess hasn't been a priority. But since it's the first thing you see when you walk in, she called in Sort to tackle it. We started by taking everything off the shelves and grouping it into major categories, all while Tara was taking care of business. We installed 4 semi-transparent clear bins with dry erase labels that can change with the tasks of each season. Knowing that communication is a huge part of Tara's job, we dedicated an entire shelf to stationery that she uses to connect with others. The vibrantly colored bins we used were inspired by her love of color. We showcased her achievements, her family, and her library on the top shelves with stationery easily accessible below. Next are the bins that can travel with her to events, and then her infrequently accessed but fascinating organizational archives, now all labeled for easy research. This project was so special, and it was great to be able to organize a space that serves our community so well through the power of music and a passion for community.
It's so fantastic and easy to use. I love it.